Fun facts about food you won't believe are true. Food facts are not something you really think about when eating your favorite meal, but we do. In today's video, we will explain some fun facts about food you won't believe are true. Stay connected with us to know about that and watch complete video. Number 1. Cheese is the most stolen food in the world. In fact, it's stolen so much it has its own percentage. About 4% of all cheese made around the globe ends up stolen. There's even a black market for cheese. Number 2. Certain music can make you drink faster. Researchers had an experiment to see how people's drinking habits changed based on the music that was playing. Number 3. McDonald's sells 2.5 billion hamburgers every year. That equates to 75 McDonald's hamburgers sold every second, every day, or 6.5 million hamburgers each day. Number 4. Expiration dates on bottled water have nothing to do with the water. Water can't expire, but the bottle it's in can. Plastic bottles will eventually start leaking chemicals into the water. It won't make the water harmful to drink, but it will make it taste less fresh. Number 5. Honey is bee vomit. When bees collect nectar, they drink it and keep it in their stomach. Once they're back at the hive, they regurgitate the nectar into the hive. Number 6. French fries originated in Belgium, not France. They are only called French fries because they are French cut. Number 7. Cauliflower comes in multiple colors. Although we typically only see white cauliflower, it actually has purple, orange, and green varieties. Orange and purple cauliflowers have higher antioxidants. Number 8. Bad eggs will float. If you need to test the freshness of your eggs, put them in a glass of cold water. The fresher the egg, the faster it will fall to the bottom. Any eggs that float should be thrown out. Number 9. Coffee beans can help eliminate bad breath. If you chew on roasted coffee beans, it can help prevent the bacteria that cause bad breath. Drinking coffee helps too, it's just less effective. Number 10. Mountain Dew contains orange juice. Although it tastes like a lemon-lime soda, orange juice is third on the list of ingredients, just behind carbonated water and high-fructose corn syrup. Number 11. Food tastes different when you're flying. Altitude changes your body chemistry, making certain flavors taste different than how they taste when you're on the ground. Number 12. Potatoes are 80% water. Sure, we all know celery is high in water, but who knew potatoes were only 15% behind them? Technically, you could juice a potato, but I don't think anyone wants that. Number 13. Nutritious food is more expensive than junk food. This is a great excuse to use to eat junk food and save money, but our bodies don't like it so much. Per ounce, nutritious food costs up to 10 times more than junk food. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you like it, give it like, and if you want more interesting videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.